Hello student, good morning. Welcome to your maths class. This is Praveena. I hope you are doing very well student. So let's start the chapter number 4. Okay. So this is the decimal. Okay. So what is decimal student? The number. This is the definition of the decimal. Decimal is the number expressed in the decimal form are called the decimals. Okay. So like this the number whole part 32 point, this is the 32.72 decimal part. So whole part is 32 and the 72 is the decimal part. Okay, so the number of digit in the decimal part of a number is known as the number of decimal places. Okay, so two types of decimal here, like and the unlike. Okay, so decimal having the same number of decimal places are called the like decimal, and the decimal having the unequal number of decimal places are called the unlike decimals. You have the example here, like decimal, after point same digit. Okay, and here after point, so the unequal digit. Okay, so remember this student, adding 0 to the extreme right digit of the decimal parts does not after the value of the decimal number. Unlike decimal can be changed into like decimal by adding 0 and to the extreme right decimal part. So we can change the 3.5 3.500, 2.15 2.150, and the 3.5 to 4, so 3.5 to 4. This is like decimal and this is unlike decimal. Okay, next comparison of the decimal. Okay, follow this step into the comparison of this decimals. Okay, so uh, let's take one example. So which one is greater than 14.50 or 27.40? So we know that the 43 is greater than 27. So also 43.50 greater than the number 27.5. Okay. And the arranging of like this, the arrange of the decimal in ascending and the descending order. Okay. So do the exercise 4a and after 4b. Okay, so 4a is the converting the following is the fractional form. Okay, so 72 is the 7.2, 153 is the 0.153, 235.235. Okay, so here the answer 4a, look at this. Okay, 7.2, 1.53, 0.235. Okay, then the D is the 45 by 5 into 2 by 2 is cancelled. So 86 by 10. So 8.6. Okay, next question number 2. Convert to fraction. 42 upon 100. So remove decimal, decimal, decimal for 1 and the after decimal digit 2. So we can write 20. Okay, so cut the number of 2. So we get 21 upon 50. Okay, like this. Next, question number 3. 1.38 is the less than number of 2.50. Okay, 6.009 less than number 6.235. Okay, so this is use the greater than and less than sign. So question number 4 is the ascending and the descending order. Okay, so ascending is this the this is number is ascending to so small to greater number, and the descending is greater to small number. Okay, so arrange these numbers 4a here, all of the question, and the 5 is the descending order. All right, so next question number b, adding of the decimals. So add and subtract the decimal numbers. Okay, so let's do the addition of the decimal. So here the number 56 plus 21 plus 80 plus 32 plus 50 and the 15 plus 15.07. Okay, so use the decimal number 56.00, 21.80 plus 32.56 plus 15.07. First we make the number is like decimal. Okay, like decimal, this is the after decimal like same digit. Okay, and then adding the number and we get answer is 125.43. Okay, like this the subtraction. Okay, so the 97 subtract 09, 97.09 subtract 63.36. Okay, so first we subtract ones place, tens place, hundred with the thousands place. Okay, so that we get the number is a 31.73. Okay, so all right, So this is also the subtraction and the addition questions. Okay, student. So I hope you understood how to add the number and how to subtract number. All right. So you can write down this this definition, decimal, like decimal, unlike decimal. Okay. Then the uh, first example. Okay, and the exercise 4a and the exercise 4b. Here the solution of exercise 4a. Okay, and the 4b here, the complete till 8 question you can write down in your notebook. So take care and bye bye, student.